Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix AOC monitor not turning on or not working. If your AOC monitor not turning on or not working, then here you will see this is your problem. Your AOC monitor not turning on. Here in the down, people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. One people says that it might be the power supply. It could be the backlight, LED strip, dying or the button like you suggested. You can shine a light on your monitor from up close when it is turned on to see if you can see an image in that case it is the backlight. Otherwise try a different power supply if you can, but if all else fail you will have to open it up to see what it is. I suggest you to start with the button then the backlight. To open it you will need some the prying tool or plastic card like old credit card. Just be careful that you don't crack your screen in case you fix it. So you will need to consider this thing. And the another option is to try a different HDMI cable. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.